Women into Manufacturing and Engineering, or WiME for short, is a Greenport Hull initiative to encourage women and girls to consider careers in manufacturing and engineering. These industries are thriving in the Humber region, and we are fast becoming a world-class centre for wind energy. We have the busiest ports complex in the UK, and our region is home to some of the UK's leading companies in the chemicals, healthcare and food sectors. 17% of people in the Humber work in manufacturing, compared with an average of 8.7% across Great Britain, and 13,000 people in our region are in advanced engineering roles. It's not hard to see why. These industries offer attractive pay, exciting roles and long-term job prospects. Despite the many opportunities, there are still not enough women in manufacturing and engineering roles, which is a real issue here in the UK. Only 9% of the engineering workforce is female, and only 6% of registered engineers and technicians are women. The UK has the lowest percentage of female engineering professionals in Europe. Out of the 20,000 applications Siemens received for jobs at its Hull facility, only 7% were from women. This is where WiME comes in. We have teamed up with Job Centre Plus and many local employers to promote the fantastic opportunities on offer for women here in Hull and the East Riding. WiME has support from businesses including Siemens, ABP, Airco, Centrica, Ideal Boilers, Spencer Group and Swift Caravans.
We looked at how can we encourage women into engineering. So through the WiME, that's a really good avenue for us, because what it enables us to do is get them interested in, really informed in what exactly is, engineering and manufacturing. What is it about? What do those job roles look like? The WiME is so crucial that we've got all these female role models across the region that are actually coming forth now and saying, look, this is what our environment looks like. These are the job opportunities, these are the training opportunities, and this is jobs for girls, women, females,
So we're working with the colleges and with colleagues in the region, so people in Siemens, BP. So for me, we've got opportunities to really start promoting this, but not just one voice, as a collective voice.
WiME events are a great chance to meet some of the Humber companies who are keen to recruit more women and find out more about the types of roles on offer and what they involve. You will meet people like you that have joined these employers and are really enjoying being part of their manufacturing and engineering workforce. You'll also hear from women who have carved out successful careers in manufacturing and engineering.
It's a great opportunity for people to speak with people who are actually doing those roles currently, which I think is paramount really, and to find out a little bit more about what we do as a potential option for them. It's not a dirty area, it's not loud, it's not noisy all of the time, and this is an area where you could feel comfortable in working. For us to be able to pass that over an event like WiME has just been invaluable.
Our events are a perfect opportunity to meet members of the National Careers Service. They will be on hand to answer any specific careers guidance questions you have and provide support on a range of careers-related topics, including entry routes into the sector, as well as information and advice on CVs and interviews. There will also be an opportunity to have more in-depth support after the event. Over 100 women came along to our first WiME Careers Open Day, with some going on to successfully start a career in manufacturing and engineering. Among them was Holly Ives. After meeting the team from Airco at our event, she signed up for a trainee course at the Airco Centre of Excellence. The course will give Holly the skills and basic qualifications to make her a strong candidate for an engineering apprenticeship.
It's been great. I don't feel any different. I don't think, oh, I'm a girl, I stand out loads. I just feel like I fit right in. I just feel like I'm getting more experience and I am building up more knowledge than other people, so I can go in and I know like the basics, and I just feel like you just get the concept of what it's going into, and I think it teaches you, like, if you are ready for an apprenticeship or if you want to do something completely different, like it helps you and it gives you the insight.
Chloe Barnett also attended the WiME Careers Open Day. She was one of 40 women who applied for a role with Siemens after the event. Chloe was successful and is now working as a packing operative in the blade factory.
I wanted to try something different, maybe go into a little bit of factory work, see if there's anything kind of different in that area. I feel proud that I've been accepted here and not kind of been looked over as somebody different because of my age and because of me being female.
The WiME team are keen for you to meet people like you and let them show you how their jobs contribute to the success of local companies and the Humber economy.
There's a wealth of opportunity for females to get involved. You know, we've got some really good, interesting roles out in industry and certainly in ports and logistics. You know, there's some fabulous opportunities. Every day is different and I just think that's so much more exciting than maybe an office job.
There's so much good work going on in our region. The jobs are untouchable. They do want more women coming forward for those. We're not just paying lip service, it's not tokenistic. It's actually real valuable work that we're doing in the region.
I spoke to a couple of the women that already work here and they said that it was one of the best things that they've ever done. If you think you can give it a good go, then you might as well try.